what we discussed in the last class. Can anybody stand up and say? Someone from this room? Come on, stand up. Just try. Now we discussed about fire. We discussed two topics yesterday. Okay? Can you remember what are those? And those two are very clearly linked. You can tell? Can you? Okay, stand up. How to control fire? Very good. And what temperature? What temperature? Very good. Ignition temperature. What's your name? Sai. Okay, Sai. Very good. We last class we discussed about ignition temperature and no. Yeah, flammable, inflammable, and yeah, exactly. And the third topic, fire control. How to control fire? And can everybody quickly say what is ignition temperature? Sit down. Yeah. What is ignition temperature? Okay. What happened in the last day's experiment? We took two paper pieces, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. One water paper. We dipped water. One paper we dipped in. We didn't dip in anything. What happened when we burned both of?
Sir, we did ignition temperature is more means we cannot. It will take time to burn, sir.
It will take time. We should reach that point.
Sir.
When we take a paper and when we dip it in something, not just paper, wood or anything. When we dip it into some liquid,
Water only, sir.
Liquid, water. Then what will happen? If the ignition temperature of that is some 70 or something, it will increase to some other value. Sometimes it doubles even.
Sir, I tell you, sir.
Yeah.
Ignition temperature is more means it will take time, sir.
Yeah, it will take time.
Ignition temperature less means it will take some 5 or 2 seconds, sir.
Yeah, it will burn very easily.
Yes, sir.
Even when ignition temperature is high, we can decrease it.
We can decrease it by
How we will decrease it?
Sir.
How can we decrease ignition temperature? Wait. Can anybody suggest how can we?
Sir.
Wait a minute. Video. So suggest me some of the methods how we can decrease the ignition temperature. Anybody else? Can we decrease ignition temperature?
Yes, sir.
Okay, stand up. How we can do that?
Sir, by keeping it under the sun by some
Very good. By heating it
under the sun.
and by applying some of the oils which are inflammable, we can decrease ignition temperature and it will catch fire very easily. Okay?
Sir.
Yeah.
You're telling we decrease now, sir. But petrol, when the dry paper and petrol, we dip petrol, no, sir. It will attach in the matter of seconds, no, sir.
That's what it will increase ignition temperature. Yeah, increase.
Sir, but petrol is also a liquid and water is also a liquid, no, sir. Why petrol is more flammable,
But
sir?
petrol is inflammable and water is?
Not catch fire, sir.
Yeah, water won't catch fire now. That's why it is increasing ignition temperature. Whereas petrol decreasing ignition temperature. And what is the other topic we discussed yesterday? Teja?
Sir,
About methods of
methods of
controlling fire.
controlling fire
How you can control a fire?
by
Gas stove.
By?
exhaustion.
Wait a minute.
By
With gas stove we cannot do because even gas stove contains
Yes.
LPG.
So,
LPG is
by what?
inflammable. Okay?
Sir, but we can control the fire in gas stove, right?
We can control, but we
By regulator.
by regulator we can control. Very good answer. Yeah. What? Yeah, LPG is flammable. I told you already. Flammable and inflammable both are synonym gas. That means it's petrol only, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how you can control fire?
Sir, by exhaustion.
Very good. fire extinguisher. And
Water.
And water.
water. Very good. And
Sand.
pouring sand and petrol. So what is happening there?
Sir, when
We are increasing ignition temperature by using these means,
These things.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. We studied about ignition temperature and controlling fire. But what is fire? What is flame? What is fuel?
Fuel means that used for the energy of the chemicals.
First then, what is fire?
Fire is
Fire is energy source.
something that can burn.
Very good. Fire is
energy source.
energy source. Very good. Something that can.
Burn.
Yeah. No.
It will
The
burn.
thing we are getting is fire.
It will burn.
Something
things.
which can burn
things.
is
Fire.
Fuel.
very good. Fuel. See, the energy we are getting is called as flame.
Flame.
Flame or fire.
Yes, sir.
And the thing that we are burning is
Fuel.
fuel. Very good. Can you tell some of the examples of fuels?
Sir, kerosene.
Wait a minute.
Petroleum.
Can you say any examples of fuels?
Petrol.
Very good. Petrol.
Kerosene.
Diesel.
Okay. Petrol, diesel, kerosene, everything we write it in petroleum. Is that fine?
Yes.
We get everything from petroleum itself, right?
Yes, sir.
Crude oil.
Crude oil.
Okay, let's write in one word. Petroleum. And any other fuels? Okay.
Kerosene.
Huh?
Kerosene.
Sir, rocket fuel.
Sorry.
Sir, there are. With oil also we can make fire, sir. By taking cotton and we.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, even normal oil which we use for cooking and all.
And apply on hair. We
Huh?
cannot apply in hair.
Yeah, applying hair. Even that, with that also we can.
Flame.
Yeah, we can
Sir,
use
but-
that also as flame.
But we cannot fire without matchstick and oil, direct oil.
Yeah, very good doubt. Because it will get wet. If some very good doubt. What's your name? Okay, Jyotish Kumar is asking, sir, petrol. Okay, let's take some petroleum. Okay, if we wet the matchstick with petroleum, what will happen?
It will
As
catch.
we told, it is inflammable and it will decrease ignition temperature, right?
Yes, sir.
According to that, it should burn very easily. But why it is not burning? That's your
Because of
question,
standard
right?
friction.
Okay, that's very good. Stand up. Tell your friend.
When we add liquid like substance, it will not react as a friction. So it
Yeah. See how we are getting fire from matchstick because of rubbing, right?
is
Friction.
What is happening there?
friction is
Friction is happening there. When we wet it with some liquid, any liquid, even the petrol can make it wet, right? Then friction is not coming. But if you take another matchstick, dry matchstick, if you do that and try to burn this, it will burn very easily. But if it gets wet in water, it won't burn. So here the thing is changing. What is changing? Friction is changing, not the character. It is flammable. It is like every time. Okay? Clear? Okay, sit down. Any other doubts?
Sir,
Yeah.
tell us one more, sir. Petrol will be used in scents, nail polish, no, sir.
Yeah.
But it will not smell like petrol, sir.
It is alcohol. Alcohol and some content of petroleum.
Because
And
chemicals-
they add. Can anybody answer for this?
That chemicals.
Very good. They add some of the fragrant chemicals. Some of the combinations which can give good smell.
Sir.
Yeah.
But it will catch fire, no, sir.
Yeah, but it will have the same character. See, you are like this. And if I apply spray to you, you will smell good. And if you don't take bath, you will smell bad. But that doesn't mean you are not Sujit. You will be Sujit every time. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other doubts? See, when we are adding, when we are using, see, even Vaseline is made up of petroleum. But it will not smell like
Petroleum.
petrol. Why? Because we are adding some of the chemicals.
Yes,
Those smell good.
sir.
Yeah. What?
Dinner.
Dinner.
Nail polish remover, sir.
Okay. Nail polish.
8 and 2 కొంచెం మళ్ళీ ఒక
Okay, okay. Paints. Yeah, we had some of. Petrol the most tayar avutలేదు. Some content is just petrol. And it is density of it is very low and it will be on the surface and it will catch fire. Okay?
nail polish will not catch fire immediately, no sir. Why sir?
Because the maximum, I mean major content is not petroleum.
But the sense also not the major content is not petroleum, no sir. సెంటర్ లో కూడా ఎక్కువ పెట్రోల్ ఉండదు కదా మరి ఫైర్ ఈజీ
Same alcohol and petroleum. Okay? In that sense, it almost content consists of these inflammable materials. But that's the not case with
nail polish.
nail polish. Sit down. Any others? Any other doubt? Okay, let's go back into our topic. Fuel, petroleum and can you say any other fuels? Oil, very good. Other oils,
Coconut oil.
very good. That's what other oils. Can we say this as fuel?
Yes,
We
sir.
can.
Yes, sir.
Can we burn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is wood. We can burn this. Duster is also fuel. Wood.
Sir,
Dry wood.
Yeah.
Biofuel.
Dry wood. Yeah, even for
CNG. Sir, CNG.
very good. CNG, compressed natural gas. Natural gas. Can we write biogas for that?
Yes, sir.
All gases together. Biogas. Yeah. Dry leaves. Yeah, very good. Dry leaves.
That also biofuel.
Sir, some chemicals.
What some chemicals?
Some chemicals will burn also.
Yeah, some chemicals will burn.
What are those chemicals? Sodium.
Alcohol. Those chemicals which are having alcohol group in the end.
Sand is.
Yeah, and alcohol group means yeah you will get to know that in your inter first year. Alcohol group consists of OH group. Alcohol means OH group itself. There are many kinds of alcohol. For those chemicals which are having alcohol group, they will burn. Yeah, magnesium also.
Sir, potassium nitrate also.
Very good. Some of the metals.
Potassium permanent.
Potassium.
Permanent.
What do you know about potassium permanganate?
It is a structure like
Do you
salt.
think it is fuel?
No, sir. Sir, potassium nitrate will burn.
Huh?
Potassium nitrate.
Potassium?
Nitrate.
Will it burn?
Yes, sir.
Where you saw that?
In YouTube.
Okay, very good. Yeah, there are many. Yeah, that's what I am saying. Those chemicals which are having OH group and those chemicals which are having that petrol properties, they will burn. It depends on the character. If you go deep into the properties of chemicals, you will get to know which will burn, which won't. One of you come here.
Sir, gunpowder also.
Sir, gunpowder.
Sir, gunpowder.
Yeah, gunpowder, very good. And paper, very good. Paper, yeah, we will say good products here. Paper is product of,
Bamboo.
yeah, plastic also catches fire. But we won't use it as cloth, yeah, cloth will also catch fire. But see, there are many things which can catch fire, but we will not use that as fuel because that may not be environment friendly and that may not be eco-friendly.
Sir, candle.
Yeah, very good.
Wax.
Yeah, wax. Very good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oil.
Shall we divide these according to the
Liquid solid.
Solid.
yeah according to the material? I mean the matter present in it. It It is petroleum is,
Liquid.
and this other oil is also liquid.
Gas.
Gases.
Biogas.
Gas.
What is biogas?
Gases.
It is gas.
Wood.
Wood, solid.
Solid.
Dry leaves,
Solid.
solid.
Gunpowder solid.
Solid.
Wax is solid.
Solid and liquid.
Yeah.
Solid and
Solid and wax can be even
liquid.
liquid.
Liquid can be solid.
Yeah.
Sir, petroleum मतलब gas का नाम है
Petroleum, yeah, exactly.
Petroleum.
Petroleum will be in liquid form. When we compress it in high pressure, it will become
gas.
very good, liquid gas. You know. See, so fuels can be there in different forms, different states. That there is nothing like only solids can be used as fuels, only liquids can be used as fuels, only gases can be used as fuels. Fuels can be in any form. Okay. Can we use every fuel at every place?
No, sir.
No. How do we select a fuel?
For bikes,
Sir,
petrol.
engine, sir.
Sir,
Very good.
for
Wait.
bikes,
Rub the board. Yeah, say.
for bikes, petrol.
Yeah, for bikes,
For
petrol.
autos, diesel.
For autos, diesel, very good. Why is the difference?
The engine fuel.
Based on the engine
Engine, sir.
composition, engine efficiency. And any other point?
Sir, cars are gas.
Yeah, but
Sir, also CNG. CNG gas.
yeah, we can use CNG also. Aeroplane, for aeroplane there is a name.
Petrol.
Petrol.
Okay. For flights and this rockets, different fuels are used. For this flights, we use petroleum-based products. But the name of that may not be petrol, but petroleum-based.
Sir,
Okay.
sir, I saw in YouTube videos, sir. It's nice petrol.
But it's made up of petrol. It's not petrol.
They say petroleum-based. Yeah, but for easy purpose, they say petrol. Okay.
Sir, but
And how about rockets?
the fuel is different, sir. It's not petrol.
What they use?
They use
Hydrogen gas.
Hydrogen, sir.
Why do they use hydrogen gas?
Because the hydrogen gas, it will be not.
Because it will produce more
More energy.
more energy.
more
See,
More
for
power.
everything there is a
pressure so that
CNG. Compression.
Sir,
for every flame there will be particular calorific value. Based on that requirement of the energy we want, we use different
fuels.
fuels.
sir, వెహికల్స్ అంటే సిఎన్జీ వాడతారు అన్నారు సార్. ఎల్పిజి కూడా వాడతారు. అంటే ఇప్పుడు పెట్రోల్ బంక్స్ లోనే ఎల్పిజి సిఎన్జి.
Based on the engine backup, we use different type of fuel. If the calorific value we want is matching, we can replace it.
Sir,
And when there is no side effects on the engine, we can use
Sir, even bikes they will use power called
power.
power.
What
Power.
power?
పవర్ పెట్రోల్.
bad power.
No sir.
హై పవర్ పెట్రోల్ సార్.
Power sir.
హై పవర్
Unique and
Battery vehicle.
power. They call it power.
పవర్ పెట్రోల్ సార్.
Brand of the petrol.
No sir.
Ah,
The name of it is power.
సార్
that may be brand name that is.
కాదు సార్.
No,
అంటే
పవర్
పెట్రోల్ బంక్స్
In Vidyut
they
mention the name as power sir.
అంటే వెహికల్స్ ఏమవుతుంది?
If we use once, ఒకసారి use అదే
If we use one,
we should again use that one.
కార్స్కే అది వాడతారు సార్. హై పర్ఫార్మ్ పెట్రోల్ అనుకుంటారు సార్.
okay. That will give
More
more mileage.
Energy.
It will produce more
mileage.
calories. The calorific value of that might be more. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
CNG gas is sir, ఎక్కువ petroleum వాడుతుంది కదా.
CNG.
Why is CNG gas not there in so many petrol bunks?
Maybe because that came very recently and that is not and that is not abundant.
Sir, for more.
Based on the abundance, based on the presence, we find it very easy. Let's see which kind of fuels we use. See,
Kerosene, petrol,
based on some of the factors, we use different kinds of fuels.
Petrol, diesel.
Yeah, what are the factors? Factors that affect use of fuel. What are the factors?
sir, giving mileage.
Based on the abundance.
Can I tell you?
When we find a fuel in more amount, we use that, right?
Yes, sir.
Based on
The amount of the fuel.
abundance and
Amount of the fuel. Sir, Telugu.
the calorific value that is producing.
Sir, can
Amount of energy it is producing.
you ask the question in Telugu? sir?
Yeah. Stand up.
Can you tell me the question in Telugu, sir?
Which
Sir, you ask no, sir. Factors.
factors. Okay. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఫ్యూయల్ ఎలా వాడతామంటే అది చాలా ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఫ్యూయల్ ఎక్కువ దొరికింది అనుకో, ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ సపోజ్ మీ ఊర్లో సిఎన్జి అనేది ఏం లేవు, సిఎన్జి లేదు ఆటోలకి, అప్పుడు నువ్వేం యూజ్ చేస్తావు? డీజిల్ యూజ్ చేస్తావు. అలా అబండెన్స్ బట్టి.
Sir, petrol pollution.
అది మైలేజ్ ఉంది సార్.
వాట్
మైలేజ్ ఉంది సార్.
high perform petrol that won't give mileage. Okay, maybe that is good for engine.
Sir,
ఇప్పుడు డీజిల్ అన్నా పెట్రోల్ అనుకుంటారు సార్. డీజిల్ లేట్గా ఉంటుంది, పెట్రోల్ స్పీడ్గా ఫ్లేమ్ అవుతుంది సార్. అలాగే పెట్రోల్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఫ్లేమ్ అవుతుంది.
Okay, maybe that produce high calorie and that will give more this thing. What they say? Not mileage.
not mileage.
ఫ్లేమ్
No, fast
Speed.
speed that will give more speed. Okay,
Which petroleum gas, sir, will be abundant?
abundant.
Yes, sir. Which
LPG. Because that is just petrol, right? We are just liquefying it. For getting some biogas, we need to go into the pores of earth.
Sir, which petroleum gas, sir, will give heavy pollution? So much pollution.
డీజిల్ సార్.
Sir, without air pollution, sir.
Petroleum products only. That varies
Honey,
small ratios.
only petroleum on the burn kerosene is thinking is the sir.
Yeah, of course. Because kerosene is very cheap and it will see when we purify petroleum, first we will get petrol, then we will get diesel, and all other products are just waste of it. Less quality. Kerosene is less quality. That's why it produces.
Black smoke will come, sir.
సార్ లేదు.
What?
If you wear kerosene and white, sir, it will come black smoke, black smoke.
Yeah, you will get black smoke.
Sir, one of the factor.
Very good. There is
Without air pollution.
factors. Okay, let's come back into the factors again. Yeah.
Without air pollution.
Yeah, which is eco-friendly.
Sir, which can get us less cost?
Okay, I will tell you a simple example. If there are two products which are of same abundance, and but this is producing more pollutants, this substance B is producing less pollutants. Which one you will prefer?
B.
Very good, B. See, based on the factors, according to the factors, we will prefer a fuel.
Sir.
Okay, and based on the function also.
Sir.
Will you use petroleum in thermal power plants?
No, sir.
What is required there?
Coal.
Very good. Coal is required because we don't need flame. We just need some heat.
సార్ న్యూక్లియర్ పవర్ ఉంటుంది సార్. న్యూక్లియర్ పవర్ దేని
In nuclear power plants, we are using thorium and
Sir, they
uranium.
combine the atom and neutron.
Yeah, uranium and thorium. We'll use those kind of things in nuclear power plant. Those produce more and more heat and but radiations also.
Sir, factor.
Those are very harmful. That's why
So they were
we are using only nearly some 2% of electricity that is produced from nuclear power plant. There are only 7 major power plants in India.
Thermal, hydro and nuclear.
No. Nuclear power plants I am talking about. There are only 7 nuclear power plants. There is no nuclear power plant in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, two nuclear power plants are there in Tamil Nadu and one in Karnataka and one in Uttar Pradesh, one in Gujarat, one in Maharashtra. Yeah, Maharashtra Tarapur. Yeah, name of the city I am telling.
Sir,
So in nuclear power plant we use thorium, uranium, but in thermal power plant we use coal. We won't use coal, petroleum. Okay.
Then hydrogen is wind turbine.
Turbine.
Yes, sir. It will collect.
Yeah, there also we use coal only. We heat coal and we keep that in contact with water vessels. Then it will turn into vapor and it will be used for running turbines. Okay. Okay, let's see the factors. Abundance, amount of energy, eco-friendly and
which can cost less cost. Which can
very good. Cost efficient. And any other factors?
Which can be recycled.
Very good. But
We can't recycle.
there are very less fuels that can be recycled. See, if it is a normal wood or something, it will turn into manure or it can be used for any other purpose.
Sir,
But almost all the fuels we can't
Only
recycle.
food can be recycled, sir, by
What?
Only food can be recycled.
Yeah, only organic.
Sir,
Organic
oil
fuels
can
can be
be
recycled.
recycled.
Huh?
Oil.
Oil?
Can be recycled into diesel.
Oil can't be recycled.
Sir,
If once you use it in some vehicle, it will go as waste.
I saw in this one.
Maybe they are doing this.
Chemicals.
Maybe they are trying to do that. They are
Yes,
not doing it.
experimenting.
Yeah, experimenting on it. Yeah.
Sir, tell us factors.
Okay, add some more factors
Sir, which will be easily available.
which will produce more energy,
Which will give more mileage.
not more energy. For some of the things we need only less energy. There we won't use those kind of fuels which can produce more energy. Right?
Yes, sir.
These are the factors. Write down. Factors on which we choose. We choose a fuel. There is one more factor. Easy to handle.
Yes, sir.
Easy to handle. And which kind of lamp you would prefer?
Sir?
You will use kerosene lamps, right?
Yes, sir.
What will happen if you use petrol in that?
It will blast.
It will blast and it will burn, and sometimes it will be very dangerous.
Yes, sir.
That's why we use some of the fuels which are safe, easy to handle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, write these 5 factors. Come on, fast, fast. Okay, now somebody answer what is calorific value? Just now I used the term calorific value.
Sir, the calories that are formed from this.
Calorie is a unit to measure energy. Calorie is a unit for measuring energy.
Energy.
Even in our body we measure our energy in calories.
Yes, sir. By eating more.
Yeah, exactly.
Chapati more.
Write down calorific value.
Calorific, sir.
Calorific. Open your textbook.
Calorific. The very simple.
More temperature. When there is some wood piece, if we keep it in a, like we can't do, those wood pieces, those went into the earth crust because of so many deposition of S layers. Under high pressure, it is turned into coal naturally. Okay? By burning also we can prepare, but that is normal coal which we get. Okay? Let's come back to our topic.
The unit which is used to measure
Calorie is the unit which is used to.
measure the energy.
Okay, write down calorific value. Amount of heat energy.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Amount of heat energy produced. Heat energy produced on heating.
Sir, amount of
Heat energy produced on complete combustion. On complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel. Amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel. Very simple. On complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel. See table number.
Please note
You
number
can see, do you
7.
know?
Yes, sir.
Page number 1 or 2 in old textbook.
Unit
Sir,
of
do you know? Do you know?
powder.
Okay. See the table and try to understand how much calories released from each substance. We'll discuss it tomorrow. Okay?
Sir.